And I think that, we talk a lot about client experience. In retail, they'll talk about client experience a lot. I think client experience in manufacturing and client experience in other verticals has not been as fashionable. I think it started to be talked about probably 3 or 4 years ago. And as we have accelerated through, the digital transformation that the world is going through, and then being hit with something as globally pervasive as a pandemic, it means that you have to deal with everybody in a different way. Actually, even the largest businesses that we deal with now are almost acting like retail, because we are a consumer, because we are having to get things, software, hardware, and everything. We're having to get it to an individual. Not to a company. We're not delivering it to another warehouse. We're not delivering it to a big organization or a big office. We're often delivering it as a point-to-point transaction to an end user. And I think that also changes the demand on the supply chain. So one of the first things that happened when COVID hit was there were not enough vehicles available from the carriers to get goods from A to B, because they weren't doing, one big order of 500 of something. They were doing 500 individual orders.
Wow.
And that really changed the dynamic. Now, do I think it won't maintain at quite that rate? Because I think people now do want to gravitate to an office type community. I think that's really important for people. The four walls of their homes are starting to close in on them a little bit. But absolutely what they want is that flexibility, that agility, that actually it doesn't matter whether they're in an office or whether they're at home or where they are. They want the same engagement and service from their partners.